Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Adirondack chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the KidKraft wooden Adirondack children's outdoor chair. Adirondack chairs are not just for adults, but the kids want to have the same fun as well. When you are hosting a barbecue party in your backyard, just like inviting your friends over, you might invite their kids too. Where will you let these small ones sit? Well, you have KidKraft wooden Adirondack children's outdoor chair for that. Known for its weather-resistant feature, this chair is available in 2 different colors. It has its own classic design to it and shaped and sized to fit a kid very well. It is manufactured using weather-resistant wood. So, you can place the chair outside anytime you want and for longer hours, and the harsh weather elements won't harm the chair at all. It is packed with step-by-step and detailed assembly instructions. So, you can always get in touch with the proper use of this chair and create the perfect and comfortable result for your kids in the end. Well, it does have some choking parts to it. So, this chair is not meant for children under 3 years of age. Moving on at number 4, we have the little Colorado child's Adirondack chair. Not only you need an Adirondack chair, but your little one needs the same. So, why not give him his very own little Colorado child's Adirondack chair? Available in 3 different colors, these chairs are perfectly designed to be placed indoor and outdoor. So, next time you are trying to get your hands on the best chairs for your little one and want him to have some fun with you, these chairs will arrange for his comfortable seating. This is one classic design from Maine and made using the water-based latex house paint. So, even for your toddler, these chairs are quite safe to use and will hold up to all the natural elements with ease. As the team doesn't use solvent-based paint, so it is recommended to store the chair indoors when not in use. This Adirondack chair can fairly complement the end table, rocking chair, and even the toddler picnic table for a complete set. This is a child version of the famous Adirondack design of the adult chairs, with the same level of comfort and relaxation to it. It is mainly handcrafted using the Montana pine wood with rounded edges. At number 3, we have the POLYWOOD AD5030GR folding Adirondack chair. The next time you're looking for a quality chair for the outdoor help, you are asked to get in line with POLYWOOD AD5030GR classic folding Adirondack chair here. This Adirondack chair is available in 15 colors. It is created to withstand the range of climates, which will include the hot sun, snowy winters, and even the strongest coastal winds. It is mainly using POLYWOOD lumber, which is a proprietary plastic made from recycled milk jugs and even the detergent bottles. The items happen to be weatherproof in nature, so it can last for a long time. On the other hand, the items will not crack, chip, peel, or rot. It will not splinter when exposed to the elements in here. The chair is easy to store. It can also fold flat for easy transportation services and with proper storage value. The chairs are very comfortable. So, it will be contoured to offer the proper seating, as expected of these Adirondack chairs. At number 2, we have the Lifetime 60284 Adirondack chair. For a classic outdoor chair, you are always welcome to go for the Lifetime 60284 Adirondack chair in here. It is available in 6 different colors and known for its classic, comfortable design. The item is constructed using weather-resistant simulated wood, and it is UV protected in nature. So, the item is not going to chip, peel, or even crack a bit. On the other hand, you might have to take some time to assemble the chair. For that, there is an assemble video for your proper guidance using the step-by-step mode. The chairs come handy with stain-resistant features. It is quite easy to clean, so there is no need to invest time to clean or maintain the chair for long. This is one perfect chair, which will enhance the real wood-like service and its beauty, minus the maintenance from your side. Once purchased, you won't feel like using any other chair for sure. And finally at number 1, we have the PolyTEAK Classic Folding Poly Adirondack Chair. The next time you're looking for a weather-resistant chair, don't forget to get in touch with PolyTEAK Classic Folding Poly Adirondack Chair as the best option. It is available in 6 different colors, and the chairs are foldable. It is created in California using PolyTEAK poly lumber material. This material is completely weatherproof and works like an authentic wood-like style. The heavy-duty material is used for manufacturing this chair and simulating density of that natural teak wood. It will even protect it from peel, rot, or splinters. This is one adult-sized chair, which weighs 31 pounds. It is fully assembled and can't get removed easily. This Adirondack chair might be made out of plastic but looks like a wooden option. This gives out a realistic wood-like feel and looks to it. The chair comes with easy maintenance, with no staining or painting required. It has a folding design, so you can store it anywhere you want when not in use. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.